So you keep forgetting what you study, right? You read a page, nod your head, and the next day, it's gone. That's not your fault. It's your brain's natural way of filtering information. But here's the good news. The Japanese have developed powerful techniques that can help you remember almost anything. I'm going to show you how. The first technique is called Kaizen. It means small, continuous improvement. Instead of cramming everything in one sitting, you make small, daily progress. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't do it once for 2 hours. You do it every day for 2 minutes. That's how knowledge sticks. The second technique is ShuHaRi. It's the art of learning in 3 stages. First, you follow the rules exactly. Then, you start adapting them. And finally, you master and create your own style. Imagine learning a math formula. First, you copy it. Then, you apply it to different problems. At last, you can solve without even thinking. That's how retention becomes natural. The third is Nemawashi. This one is underrated. It literally means going around the roots. It's about preparing your brain before deep study. For example, skim the topic first, ask yourself questions, and then go deep. This mental priming makes your brain ready to absorb and retain information like a sponge. Another powerful technique is Shikake. It's about designing your environment to push you into action. If you keep your phone on your desk, your retention will suffer. But if your desk is clean, your books are open, and distractions are hidden, your brain has no choice but to focus. That's how Japanese students make their surroundings work for them, not against them. Finally, the Pomodoro with Ikigai. You already know Pomodoro: 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. But the Japanese twist is linking it with Ikigai, your purpose. Before studying, remind yourself why this knowledge matters to your life. Suddenly, studying isn't just about exams, it's about your future. That makes it unforgettable. So, the next time you forget something, don't blame your brain. Train it with Kaizen, ShuHaRi, Nemawashi, Shikake, and Ikigai. And if you practice these Japanese techniques, your attention will skyrocket.